Hi children, now let us learn how to solve problem number 4 in exercise 12.1. First, I read the question. Listen to it very carefully. The wheels of a car are of diameter 80 centimeter each. How many complete revolutions does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour? Okay, so this is the problem. So you have to find the number of revolutions made by each of the wheel in the car for 10 minutes. Okay, so how many revolutions does each wheel make in the time period of 10 minutes? That is the thing we have to find. So here what are the two given things for us? The diameter of the wheel is given as 80 centimeter and also they given the speed of the car as 66 km per hour. So to solve this problem we are going to learn one formula. The formula to solve this problem is this one now. This is the main formula. Total distance covered. Total distance covered is equals to, what is that? Distance covered by the wheel. Distance covered by the wheel for one revolution. Distance covered by the wheel for one revolution into number of revolutions. Okay, so this is the formula we are going to use to solve this problem. Here, what is given, what they ask you to find? Number of revolutions made by the wheel in 10 minutes. So here you have to find number of revolutions made in how many minutes? 10 minutes, isn't it? So this time constant should be given in this also. So here what you get? Total distance covered in 10 minutes. Okay, so for this particular problem, we have to convert the formula like this. What is the general formula is? Total distance covered equal to distance covered by the wheel for one revolution into number of revolutions. But in this particular problem, we are asked to find the number of revolutions made by each of the wheel in 10 minutes. Therefore, here I wrote one more extra step. What is that? Number of revolutions made in 10 minutes. This time constant should be also given in what nada? Total distance. Okay. Now one by one we find. Therefore from this what we have to find? We have to find number of revolutions made in 10 minutes. So from this number of revolutions made in 10 minutes. What is to be equal to in 10 minutes will be equal to total distance covered in 10 minutes by distance covered by the wheel. Distance covered by the wheel for one revolution. So this is the formula required to solve this formula for this problem. Okay, now this is the original formula. From this we derived the required formula to solve this particular problem. So now what is the formula? Number of revolutions made in 10 minutes is equals to total distance covered in 10 minutes by distance covered by the wheel for one revolution. Okay. Now we find the total distance covered in 10 minutes. So for that we have to take the speed of the car. Now what is given for us? Tell me. Speed of the car is equals to how much? 66 km per hour. Okay, what does it actually mean? This means total distance covered. What does it actually mean? Total distance covered in 1 hour equals to 66 km. Okay. Now what I am going to do means I am going to convert this kilometer into centimeter, because in the next step we have to find the distance traveled by the wheel for one revolution. For that we have to use the diameter of the circle, which is given in terms of what? Centimeter. In mensuration problem, whenever we solve the problem, the units must be what? Same. Okay. So here we have to convert centimeter into kilometer or kilometer into centimeter. This is easier for us. Okay. So now we convert this kilometer into centimeter. 1 kilometer is equals to how many meters? 1000 meters. So first we convert into meter. And then we convert into what? Centimeter. How does it be done? Tell me. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So again you have to multiply by 100 and kilometer has been converted into centimeter. Now this is the total distance covered in 1 hour. So in problem what you have to find? You have to find total distance covered in what? 10 minutes. Okay. Therefore, further we do like this. So we are going to find total distance covered in 10 minutes. So how do you find this? 10 by 60. Because 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Okay. So 10 by 60 into 66 into 1000 into 100 centimeter. Now 0 gets cancelled and 6 cancels 66 for how many times? 11 times. So we have 11 into 1000 into 100 centimeter. Now this is the distance covered in how many minutes? 10 minutes. Okay. Now we are going to find distance covered by the wheel. Distance covered by the wheel for 1 revolution. Distance covered by the wheel for 1 revolution. This is nothing but circumference of the wheel. What is this? This is nothing but circumference of the wheel. Okay. And it is given in the problem that the diameter of the wheel is 80 centimeter. Therefore, how to find circumference of the wheel? By using the formula pi d. And now here d is equals to how much? 80. So we get pi into 80 centimeter. That is equals to 22 by 7 into 80 centimeter. So this is how we find the distance covered by the wheel for 1 revolution. Okay. Now the last step. In the last step what we are going to find? Number of revolutions made by each wheel. Number of revolutions made by each wheel in 10 minutes. So this is the last step. Now what is this? Tell me. Total distance covered in 10 minutes by distance covered in 1 revolution. Isn't it? Now what is the total distance covered in 10 minutes is equals to 11 into 1000 into 100 centimeter by 22 by 7 into 80 centimeter. Now centimeter gets cancelled. Take this 7 to numerator. I have 7 into 11 into 1000 into 100 divided by 22 into 80. Okay, now 11 cancels 22 for 2 times. 0 gets cancelled. And 2 cancels 10 for 5 times. And 8 cancels 1000 for 125. That gives you 7 into 125 into 5. That is 7 into 125 into 5 is equals to 625. And 7 into 625. Go here. 625 into 7. 7 5s are 35, balance 3. 7 2s are 14 plus 3, 17, balance 1. 7 6s are 42 plus 1, 43. So the final answer is 4375. Therefore, number of revolutions made by each wheel in 10 minutes is equals to 4375. So this is the solution for this problem, children.